Thank you, Paul. One other speaker that's not on here is Aaron Phillips from Trimble Navigation. I want to ask him, Trimble is one of the sponsors here, so I want to let them talk briefly about their navigation system.
All right, thanks, John. John said, my name is Aaron Phillips, Regional Sales Manager for Trimble Navigation. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about our water management system. Trimble's been in water management for several years, starting with lasers and now getting more into the GPS. It's with the demand of the GPS systems. The product that we've had for our water management has been Field Level 2. With Field Level 2, you could do your GPS leveling as well as your drainage and ditching. With the Field Level 2, you can do your survey, you can do your design, and you can do your installation all with one display, with our FMX display. So the nice thing about that is you've got this one display you're using for water management. Well, you can also take that display and you can use it in your tractor to guide your tractor. You can use it to run your planter. You can use it to control your sprayer. You can use it as a yield monitor. And you can use it just to guide your implement if you want to. The other nice thing about the FMX display is it has 2 GPS receivers built into it. So what that means is you can both guide your tractor and do your grade work at the same time. You can install your tile, do your ditching, and also guide your tractor at the same time with the 2 GPS receivers. With the demand of the GPS receivers now being used for water management, we've also come up with a new program called WM Drain. So we still have our Field Level 2 system, which you can use for doing your GPS leveling, but now we have WM Drain that's going to do more of the drainage, the tiling, ditching aspects of it. So a couple features of the WM Drain is it has auto slope and point to slope, which are a couple of features in the system that allows you to put in your constraints and then it'll automatically install the tile or dig the ditches for you. The other thing is we've added a couple sensors to the system now too. One is for roll. So if you get on a side hill, your antenna height is going to change. So what this sensor does is it adjusts your plow, the depth of the plow, to make sure that it stays right on your design. The other sensor that we've added is for pitch. So, like I said, GPS, RTK, it works great most of the time. For that time where it's not working, you can take over with a pitch sensor that's going to keep you at your desired slope and allow you to keep working. The other part of our water management system is our FarmWorks Surface software program. It's a desktop software program that allows you to do a lot of the work in the off season. As the one gentleman said earlier, a lot of your time is spent on the planning parts of it. You can go out and install this tile in no time, but the planning side of it is what takes so long. So with Surface, you can bring in your survey data, your elevation data. You can look at a lot of information like flow arrows, flow patterns, where the water is going to drain. You can look at the watersheds. You can go in and you can design your whole field on what tile you're going to put in or what ditches you're going to dig. You can estimate and find out how much tile you're going to use in that field. And then you can also verify that your plan's going to work. So you can create all of your tile lines, all of your ditches on the software program, bring them out to your FMX, either wirelessly through a modem with our connected farm, or you can bring it out there with a USB stick. And then you can just, when you get out to the field, you just go and you do the installation. You don't have to worry about doing the design and the other stuff when you're out in the field.